Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to back up WhatsApp messages through OneDrive. Ever get a low moment of panic where you realize years of chats, photos, and voice notes are living on a single phone that could decide to retire itself tomorrow? If you want to back up your WhatsApp messages, the process is pretty simple. But there's one important thing to know first. On Android, WhatsApp backups your Google account through Google Drive, not OneDrive while iPhone uses iCloud. When I check the backup settings myself, I open WhatsApp, went into the settings menu, and then selected the chat section. From there, you'll find chat backup, which is where all the important backup options live. You can choose how often backups happen, make sure the correct account is connected, and decide whether video should be included. Once everything looks right, tap the Backup Now button and WhatsApp will start creating a backup of your conversations and media, depending on how many memes, photos, and random group photos you've accumulated over the years. The process might take a few minutes, so make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection before starting. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.